Hi, we'll be solving remainders problem today. So what is the remainder when 2 raised to 100 is divided by 9? Now, in order to solve this problem, we'll be using a concept of cyclicity of remainder of power of 2 when it is divided by 9. So let's start by finding remainder of 2 raised to 1 by 9. Remainder will be 2. Remainder of 2 square by 9 is 4. Remainder of 2 cube, which is 8 by 9, is equal to 8. Remainder of 2 raised to 4 by 9, which is remainder of 16 by 9, will be equal to 7. Remainder of 2 raised to 5, which is 32 by 9, will be equal to 5. Remainder of 2 raised to 6, which is 64 by 9, will be equal to 1. Now, since we got a 1, so the cycle should repeat. So remainder of 2 raised to 7, which is equal to 128 by 9, will be same as remainder of sum of these digits by 9. That means remainder of 11 by 9 and will be equal to 2. That means the pattern is repeating. So cycle is equal to 6. So we will divide 100 by 6 and check the remainder. The remainder is 4. That means remainder of 2 raised to 100 by 9 is same as remainder of 2 raised to 4 by 9 and is equal to 7. So answer will be option number D. Now, if you want to master the concepts of remainders, do check out the theory video and the solved problems provided in the description of this video, where I help you learn the concepts from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.